Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to screenshot on a PC. Alright, so I am on my HP laptop, and this is a default application on any Windows operating laptop, a PC. So the first thing I need to do is navigate to my search bar. If you don't already have the snipping tool, which is how to screenshot easily on your PC on your taskbar, which I do. I have it right here, but I will show you if it's not there, where to find it. So go ahead and navigate to that magnifying glass, that search bar, and type in Snipping Tool. It's then a pre-installed application that the PC has to take screenshots to grab a snip of the screen. So there are a few different things you can do. The first is just to take a new snip. So a snipping tool is you snip the page. So it might just be a section. You might want to snip the whole entire page. So I actually just want to snip this corner section of my Microsoft Edge browser to show someone how to log into the browser. So I'm going to click on the plus sign new, which will create a new snip. And then you'll notice your screen will go gray. There are a few different tools up here. You could do a freeform snip. So if you wanted it to be like a circle, you could do the entire window snip, or the full screen snip. So I'm going to just keep the default because, again, like I said, I just want this top corner. And then I'm going to drag my cursor, drag my mouse, click, and drag my mouse to the spot that I'd like to snip, which is just this corner here. And then here's your snip. Now here's the really cool thing. You can edit right within the snipping tool and then copy and paste it to your clipboard and put it into a document or PowerPoint or email, or you could save it as an image file. All right, so I need to add an arrow. I'm going to use my pen here and add an arrow to show this person. This is where you go to log in. I could even write something there, and then when you're ready, go ahead and you can either copy it to your clipboard right here. If I click that, it's copied to my clipboard. So if I went to paste it into a Microsoft Word, I just copy and paste it, or you can save it. So if you click on the three dots, it will save to your computer. You could also print, and there are various things that you can do. So explore the different features of the snipping tool. You can delay the snip, so that gray screen won't come up if you delay it for 5 seconds. There's a bunch of great features with the snipping tool on PC. I hope that this app is beneficial to you, and I hope this video helped you learn how to take a screenshot on a PC. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. If you have any questions, drop them below, and my name is Jessica. I'll catch you in the next video.